Hi, this is Brad with Blue Nile Farm. Today I want to take you through the process of removing and replacing a lens on this Mack 2003 612. If you have a lens like this, just kind of give you an idea of how to do it and what it's going to take. I initially took this truck up to a dealer to find out what it would cost me to have them do it. They told me approximately $1,500 to replace the lenses. So I decided I'm going to try to do this on my own. So I went out and I bought both sides of the lenses, and it cost me approximately $400 together. So the rest of this is going to be labor. The lights and bulbs already are pre-existing, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. The problem I have, though, is that everything on this unit is frozen and everything's going to break. And so we're going to have to do a little bit of grinding to take this apart. But I think in the end, it's probably a lot better if you learn to do this yourself. And I'm just going to give you an idea what it's going to take to get the job done. Tools I use, there's a 3-inch grinder that was air, a T15 star wrench, like for the screwdriver, vice grips, 3/8 drive with 10mm socket, and that's pretty much it, and some fender washers. Just to kind of show you the makeup of the light bulb, this light's in the bolts. So these are the headlight itself. It's going to be in 2 pieces, and this is the old one. This is the first piece, and the amber part is the second piece. You take this out first, and take this out second. These 4 bolts will have to probably be ground off. And on the light itself, the main adjustment screw will always be on the bottom. There's an adjustment screw here, but these are the ones that actually hold it into place. These 2, they come out at an angle going toward the radiator, and these 2 will have to probably be adjusted a little bit and angled because of the way they're grooved into the fiberglass backing, the mold. But this generally, once it gets adjusted, it all slides in relatively easy, and then you can torque them up as necessary. But again, these are be easily broken. I actually want to break all these off, and I had to grind the amber, every one of the amber nuts, I had to grind them off. But this gives you an idea of kind of what you have to deal with. And there's only 8 nuts on each side, so a total of 16. I wound up using also fender washers because the holes in the fiberglass are pretty big. And be careful when you cut, because you obviously don't want to cut into the fiberglass. But this gives you a basic general idea. And when you put this on, when you install this in first, and the last thing you put on is the amber light. Just tie everything together. It all fits in well. So with the new hardware, you can see the 4 nuts. That's for the amber directional. The other 2 nuts that are to the right of this are for the headlight itself. But it gives you an idea of where they're located. Once you open the hood, you'll find 2 nuts. They'll be near the radiator. Remove them, and you will be able to take the entire light assembly out. So now that the old light assembly is out, you can clearly see the 8 holes that you'll need to use to put back the new pieces. Remember, put the big light assembly in first. You may have to do a quick adjustment on that one side, and then followed by the amber directional. So there you have it. All put in new. Looks good. And to be honest with you, it saved me $1,100 because I did it myself. And it was an aftermarket. It wasn't a perfect fit, but really, once it was screwed on, it fit pretty good. So no complaints on my end. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wound up test driving this truck, and like I said, it was really pretty easy. It only took me maybe 3 or 4 hours at most to do this. I did it over 2 days, but when I took this truck out on the road, I could finally see, and it was well worth the investment. So it's very easy to do. Anybody can do it. Plus, a little bit of satisfaction. You kind of understand your truck a little bit better. I'm not a mechanic, and I'm not claiming to be one, but I like to do stuff myself the best I can, and this is a job that I think most everybody can do. So all you just need is the right tools. You'll be set to jet. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later.